Perched upon the crest of a sweeping ridgeline in Doonan, Whipbird emerges as a striking architectural landmark, occupying what is widely considered the Noosa Hinterland's most breathtaking vantage point. The property commands an immediate sense of scale and presence. From this elevated position, the horizon unfolds in every direction, offering a rare perspective over the surrounding landscape. The overall design adopts a bold brutalist aesthetic, defined by strength, purity, and structural presence. Yet, despite its solid character, the architecture remains remarkably restrained through a simple T-shaped pavilion form. This clean geometry grounds the residents into the landscape, allowing the building to make a statement without overpowering the natural contours of the ridge. Beyond its structural ambition, the residence embodies a deeply poetic response to its environment. Every line and orientation has been carefully considered to cultivate a close, meaningful relationship between the inhabitants and the elements. It is an architecture that does not merely sit on the land, but actively engages with the rhythm of its natural surroundings. Situated in the tranquil heart of Doonan, one of the Sunshine Coast's best-kept secrets, the site offers a sanctuary of absolute privacy. The house takes full advantage of dual perspectives, capturing panoramic sweeping views of both the rolling hinterland and the distant coast. This constant visual connection to the horizon creates an atmosphere dedicated to quiet contemplation and unhurried relaxation. The generous Spatial program features 5 bedrooms, thoughtfully broken down into 2 distinct wings. Spanning across 2 split levels, the layout creates a logical flow of movement that balances private retreat with shared living. This spatial division ensures that every corner of the home feels connected to the outdoors, while maintaining a sense of quiet intimacy. Extending outward from the main structure, a series of landscape terraces step down along the slope, gradually transitioning the home into the landscape. These terraced levels host an exceptional suite of lifestyle facilities, blending modern luxury with the raw topography of the ridgeline. center of the outdoor experience sits a 20-meter naked mineral pool, stretched out against the horizon. Nearby, a full-sized supergrass tennis court is ingeniously built into the natural fall of the land, respecting the native contours rather than leveling them. A dedicated bathing court further elevates the outdoor living experience, offering a private space dedicated to wellness and open-air relaxation. The arrival experience is equally grand, designed to accommodate both practical needs and a sense of welcome. A spacious 3-car garage is paired with an expansive 6-car court, ensuring ample space for guests and vehicle storage without cluttering the architectural profile. Adding rich layers and visual depth to the home's outlook are cascading courtyard gardens that weave between the structures. These lush, stepped gardens soften the concrete lines of the architecture and draw vibrant greenery deep into the footprint of the home. A defining feature of the property's identity is the monumental ecological restoration undertaken across the site. A total of 16,735 native trees, plants, and ground covers were carefully planted throughout the surrounds. This extensive rewilding effort actively enforces the architecture while preserving and enhancing the site's natural character and biodiversity. Brought to life by developer Zerny, the project is the result of a shared passion and deep respect for quality materials and uncompromising finishes. The creation of the residence required a unified vision, ensuring that every element, from structural concrete to raw stone, was executed with meticulous craft. To realize this ambitious vision, Zerny assembled a formidable team of world-class designers, suppliers, and collaborators. Architectural leadership was provided by Jen Negline of Minnow Studio, architect of the 2022 HIA Australian Home of the Year winner. Working in close harmony with landscape experts, the Conlon Group, to unite the built form with the earth. The narrative of craft continues through the home's exceptional material palette, curated alongside global design leaders, featuring interior styling by Space Furniture, high-performance VE appliances, premier travertine from Artidomus, handcrafted stone from Granite Works, custom timber by Made by Story, and natural masonry from the Natural Brick Company. The residence stands as a masterclass in collaborative, modern Australian design,